Innovation and advances in energy-efficient LED technology are changing the way we light everything around us. Let's look at a group of high-performance, energy-efficient LED lamps designed specifically for accent and architectural lighting in retail and hospitality spaces. The EnduraLED MR16. The EnduraLED MR16 reduces energy costs without compromising light quality. Consider this. The amount of energy it takes to run one 50-watt halogen can operate 5 10-watt EnduraLED MR16s. That's a savings of 40 watts per lamp. The average life of a 10-watt EnduraLED MR16 lamp is 25,000 hours. A halogen 50-watt MR16 runs only 3,000 hours. On average, you'd have to install more than 8 50-watt halogen MR16s during the lifespan of one 10-watt EnduraLED MR16. Similar to the halogen MR16, the EnduraLED MR16 is available in multiple color temperature options, including warm white, white, and cool white, as well as multiple beams, including spots, flood, and wide floods, giving lighting designers the aesthetic freedom to create the desired look and feel of a space. Its small size and dimmability provides designers with options for smaller fixtures and the ability to fine-tune light levels. There are lots of reasons why the EnduraLED MR16 is a great choice for accent lighting. Innovative technology has made it possible to deliver a high-quality and high light output lamp that makes furniture look fresh and appealing, as it does at room and board classic contemporary home furnishings. The EnduraLED MR16 lamps emit no UV or IR, so they won't fade fabric or furnishings. And since the lamps burn for 25 to 45,000 hours, there should be no disruptions to customers. It's also environmentally friendly, contains no mercury, and carries a 3 to 5 year limited warranty depending on operating hours. For these reasons, Room and Board chose to illuminate their showrooms with Philips EnduraLED MR16 lamps. The switch to Philips EnduraLED lamps brightened up their showroom and better showcased their furniture, with an anticipated savings of about $27,000 annually in energy costs. Experience the lighting transformation for yourself. Discover the benefits of Philips EnduraLED MR16 lamps and see how this advanced LED technology can improve light quality, reduce energy costs, and create impressive lighting scenes.